Hello guys, welcome to my channel Node Developer. So in this video we are going to see how the scaffold works, how we can implement the scaffold component. So scaffold is basically in material design is a fundamental structure that provides us the standardized platform for complex user interfaces. It holds together different parts of the UI such as app bars, floating action buttons, top app bar by and through that it gives us our apps a coherent look and feel. Basically the scaffold, let's create a function first, scaffold example, and we just need to annotate it with composable. So scaffold basically provides us the straightforward API which we can use quickly to assemble our apps structure according to material design guidelines. It accepts several composables as parameters, basically like top app bar. First you need to just simple scaffold, and now inside this we can provide several things like let me show you. It takes top app bar as the parameter, takes bottom bar, it takes snack bar host, it takes floating action button, floating action button position. You can also container color, the whole scaffold layout, and then the content color which you gonna put inside the scaffold, and then the content window is set. You can also set the insets of this scaffold window, then the content. Now let's create a top app bar first. Top app bar, simple. In this top app bar you just need to create top bar, sorry, top bar. The top app bar we need to create, and it is simple actually. I'm gonna just put inside this top app bar, just put colors first. Top app colors, top app bar colors, import it, and now provide the container color and title color. So container color I'm gonna put as a color dot red. Title container, let's have color dot white. This is our, here you need to pass the title for the app bar actually. So for that purpose just simple text new developer. This is top app bar, it's opting for this. Now the top app bar is completed, and you just need to comma, and now you can make bottom app bar like this. So now the bottom bar, for the bottom bar it's simple bottom app bar, and inside this also you just need to content color and container. So container color you can put anything. I'm gonna put it color dot red. Content color, not content, it's content color, color dot white. Simple. And inside this you can create as many as icons you want. Bottom app bar. Now let's provide modifier equals to modifier dot fill max width, text alignment, text align. This is our bottom app bar. Okay, now the as we have bottom bar, and now we are going to make a floating action button also, and inside this just simple floating action button. Inside this we need to provide on click and also the icon for the what floating action. So I'm gonna use the icons dot default dot add button, and the content description content, let's put it, then content description I'm gonna put it as add a button, and also I think we need to provide the color dot unspecified as tint. And this is on click of this you can do anything. Let's create first the column here, simple column, and nothing much. This column modifier equals to modifier dot padding, and this padding we need to provide the inner padding here, what our scaffold gives us as the parameter. So here you can see this is the content, and this is as this padding value. So we need to provide these padding values. We can specify as inner padding or padding if you want, like this, and then you can use padding, or you can simply do what is just ignore it and provide it here. But and after this the vertical arrangement dot paste by 15 dp. After this I'm gonna put as text. So the text is going to be the whatever you want. Modifier equals to modifier dot padding 10 dp. There's now count times. Now I'm gonna create the count variable top of. So where count, find let's call this scaffold from this main activity. Scaffold sample. Run this and see. Now you can see this is the new developer, the top app bar, and this is the bottom app bar, and this is, and but we don't have content. Why? Make this arrangement dot the, okay, this is weird. Text color is going to be the issue or something else. Color dot black. The issue is basically with color. Now if I click on this, nothing happening. Okay, this is weird. It should have working, but it is not working. Let's see why. Floating action button. Okay, I didn't change the value on click of this, that's why. So count plus plus, and now if I run this, the values every time I press on this floating action button. Okay, you can see every time I press the value gets. So this is how you can make a scaffold layout and top app bar and bottom app bar within it. Simple. So yeah, that's it for this video. Actually, click like button if you like, share it if you have something to share, or in the comment section, and subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. See you in the next one.